to the Unquendor Guitars Workshop and the start of a new guitar build. Finally, my stuff arrived to build a new guitar. And in this video series, I'm going to show you what it takes to make an Unquendor custom guitar. So please subscribe to my channel to don't miss out on any of the videos. And let's kick this video series off by unboxing the parts I've ordered. So, first off, let's put this aside. Let's start by unwrapping this wood I've ordered. Remove the packaging slip. This is the first time I've ordered my wood. Usually I go to the lumberyard to collect it myself, but due to the situation we're in, I needed to order it. So yeah, it's also for me the first time I take a look at this wood, and yeah, fairly well packaged, I must say. This should be the neck blank. And for this guitar build I choose to order a custom neck blank. So it should be already pre-made to my specifications, of course, just to save me a lot of time and not having to plane and saw everything by hand. Wow. Oh, wait. Yeah, my custom ordered neck blank. Flamed maple with 2 black limba stripes and 2 ebony strips on the side. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 piece neck blank. Looks awesome. Nicely quarter sawn. Yeah, this saves me a lot of time. Pre-made neck blank. Let's take a look at the rest. Nice rosewood fretboard. I believe it's Indian rosewood. Yeah, Indian rosewood. Wow. Look at this top. Hope you can see it, otherwise I will put in a close-up. A very nice quilted maple top. Stunning top. Wow. And of course, one of my favorite materials, one of my favorite species to make bodies from, black limba. Wow. Awesome looking piece of black limba for the body. this is going to look awesome. There's a slight defect on the back. Yeah, but I might be able to lose it in the belly carve, so that shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, this is awesome. I'm very happy. Great. Yeah. Stunning looking top, to be honest. So this guitar will be a black limba body, flame maple top, or a quilted maple top, rosewood fretboard, and of course flamed maple and black limba laminated neck. Let's take a look at the hardware. Ordered my hardware. Wow, 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 wow. All right. Of course, some small parts, in and output. This guitar is going to have as much of Schaller hardware as possible. And this should be the tuners, I hope. Yeah, some Schaller 6-inch line mini tuners. Great. I love the detail in the packaging of Schaller. It's great, it's awesome. Real present if you get your tuners packaged like this. Compliments to Schaller on the packaging. Schaller strap locks, the S locks. Again, great packaging, great presentation. Some knobs, again, all Schaller. Knobs, chrome metal pickup rings. I don't like the plastic pickup rings. I always use metal pickup rings. Locking nut, switch, and of course the bridge. Schaller tremolo bridge, Floyd Rose style tremolo bridge. Again, same packaging. And for pickups, I thought I tried the Fishman Fluence pickups. Another great way of packaging everything. Brushed stainless steel covers on these Fishman Fluence modern humbuckers. Active system, and there should. This is a set. It comes with all the installation materials, the potentiometers, and I think a wiring kit or something. Yeah, wiring kit. Yeah, and I can't wait to try these pickups out. I've seen a lot of reviews on YouTube, and can't wait to put them in one of my guitars. So now that I have my wood and all the components needed for this guitar, it's time to start building. But unfortunately, this is all the time I have for this week's video, so keep an eye out for next week's video in which I start working on the neck. Yeah, subscribe to my channel to don't miss out on any of these videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you all in next video. But until then, have a nice week.